Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I am Nikhil, I am Men's Image Consultant. Welcome back to another video from Bravo Man. When we talk about men's styling, what do we talk about? We mostly focus on the clothes, we mostly focus on the footwear, we focus on the accessories, we focus on all these things. But what we don't really discuss often is the color combination. And the most important thing in men's styling is focusing on the color combination. That becomes the most vital and the integral part of uplifting men's styling. Like we focus on the fit of our clothes, like we focus on the styling of our clothes, it is really important to also focus on the right color combination of our clothes, because a right color combination will not only elevate your style, but it also makes you look vibrant, it makes you look more lively, and it adds a versatility to your entire look. There are occasions when your outfit is fantastic, your fit is classic, your choice of your options, your clothes are amazing, your footwear, your accessories like your watch, your sunglasses, everything is bang on. But the one and the most important thing what you neglect, and that really kills your entire style, is not focusing on the right color combination. Because your color combination, it really elevates your style not only tenfold, but it also adds an eye appeal to your overall personality, to your persona, as well as it uplifts your mood. Reason I want to focus on the color combination is because it helps you to balance your entire outfit. That's the reason it is really important to focus on the right color combination for your outfit. And the most important thing about colors is, colors can really make an outfit. It also has an ability and capabilities of really breaking an outfit and really screwing that entire outfit. So gentlemen, today in this video, I'm going to give you the basics of color combination for men's styling. Before we get in the video, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell notification icon below so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please do follow me on my Facebook page, which is Bravo Man Image Consultant. And my Instagram page is also Bravo Man Image Consultant. Like I say, your support, it really helps me and the channel grow. So please consider subscribing to my channel, and please don't forget to follow me on my social media handles. And without any further ado, let's get in the video. Gentlemen, color combination is not a rocket science, but people really complicate this color combination scheme and then they really make a complete fuss out of it. Understanding the right color for your outfit, understanding what to wear, understanding which particular combination, the color scheme combination, to wear, so that you don't overlap on too many of colors. You don't make your outfit look too boring, and most important thing is your outfit should look classy. It shouldn't look like a costume. So these are few things which we really have to consider when it comes to the color combination. And playing with the right color combination can really help you not only just elevating your outfit, but it also helps in adding different variation to your existing collection in your wardrobe. So gentlemen, there are three main things which I will be talking about in this particular video, so that you can get maximum out of this video. If you log these three color combinations, you are amazingly good to go and set for maintaining an amazing style. Number one is the high contrast color option. We all know the color scheme, and I will also be putting a color wheel on the screen so that you can have a better understanding about the entire color scheme. The high contrast color option is nothing but matching the opposite colors on the wheel, on the color wheel. If you look at the color wheel, the colors which sits right opposite to each other are the high contrast color options. This combination of colors, they really create a vivid and energizing effect. The high contrast color combination is a very bold combination, but if you play it correctly and if you understand the basics of this particular combination, trust me, this is one of the most sexiest combination, and it is one of the most classy, and it's like getting a punch in the face. It's like a power pack combination, because your bold colors are really, they really come out and they give you a very macho feel. Whenever we talk about a high contrast color options, the best combination which I will always suggest is a navy and a maroon, or a brown and a bottle green. These color combination, a high contrasting combination, is really impactful. They are bold, they are loud, but in a very classy and a very it's a very power pack combination of having two bold colors, two darker shades, because these are very loud colors. But if you use these loud colors and if you really pair them with a proper blend, these colors, they really come out good. And trust me, this high contrast color combination is one of my favorite, and it is really classic. These combinations have a characteristic in itself, so it's really amazing to play with a very high contrasting color combination. But you really have to understand these color combination, because if you really push it hard, you can even break this combination and you can make this particular combination go flashy. Like for example, if you are playing with a tacky orange color, and then if you're playing with something neon blue and green, so these are again a high contrasting color combination, but then you don't want to look like a clown. Number 2 is the low contrast color combination. Now this particular color combination on your color wheel is nothing but then if you choose one primary color on your color wheel, then any colors adjacent to those colors becomes the low contrasting color combination for your primary color. Choosing the complementary colors which lies either side of your primary colors are your low contrast color combination for your primary colors. So basically your low contrast color combination is nothing but a subtle side of your high contrast color combination. Your low contrast combination is way more subtle, it is very subdued, it is not too loud, and most importantly, it is not too intense like your high contrast color combination. Your low contrast color combination is a very fresh combination. It's a very daytime combination, and most importantly, it is very easy to carry combination. Unlike your high contrasting color combination, it is way too loud. There are times when you cannot carry that particular combination, and not everyone can carry that combination very well. But in terms of your low contrasting color combination, it is very easy to carry, it is very easy to blend in, and you can really pull off this combination easily. So even if it's your casual wear, even if it's your formal wear, you can easily pull off this combination at any given point of time. This combination is an apt combination for your day job and for your afternoon coffees or evening coffees, because it's a very light, it's a very subtle, subdued, and a very classic combination. Now when it comes to the best color combination for your low contrast color options, is my best combination is your beige and light blue. The other combination like light gray and baby pink, or light gray and light green, light brown and yellow, beige and light green. Once you understand the color wheel for your low contrasting color options, you can really play with multiple magnitude of colors. Number 3, one of the most common and one of the most important color contrasting combination is a neutral color combination. You cannot find neutral colors on the color wheel. The colors like white, black, gray, even brown or beige, at times you cannot find it on the color wheel. We all know that neutral colors are the base of everyone's wardrobe. We need to have a black color, we need to have a white color, we need to have a gray color. These 3 colors are a must, even your brown and your beige, because you can just play with these colors and you can have multiple combination. When it comes to black, trust me, I mean, there are so many colors which you can match and which you can pair with your black color. That's why your basic and your classic combination comes from your neutral color combination. I don't have to tell you about the combination like navy and white, black and white, even your brown and beige. It is the basic staple colors of every man's closet. Gentlemen, these are the 3 different types of color combination what a man can definitely play with, and understanding this color combination and then playing accordingly will really help you not only just to elevate your normal basic outfit to a top-notch outfit, but also making it look more vibrant, more sexy, more appealing, So it really adds a lot of effects and eye appeal effects, and it really makes you feel lively, because playing with colors is the best way you can elevate your current style to a next level style. These are the three basic combinations: your high contrast options, your low contrast option, and your neutral colors. If you play around with these combinations, you get magnitude of options. So gentlemen, you can even try to elevate your current wardrobe into multiple options, because when you understand this color pattern, you can definitely play with magnitude of colors. Gentlemen, just remember this one thing: your colors can make your outfit, and your colors can also break your outfit. If you really want to add variation to your outfit, the best way to add variation to your outfit is playing with the right color contrasting options. So understand this, lock it in, and look sexy. So gentlemen, I hope you like this video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs. If you love it, please do share it with your friends and family. And I really hope and wish to see you in my next video. Till then, look great, feel fantastic, rock this color combination. You can never ever go wrong with your style. And I see you in my next video. Ciao.